From Big Boys Cool Toys. So I promised a lot of parents out there that would do this video, so on Christmas morning you guys could watch this. Most parents actually bought a 4x4 or two-wheel drive truck with a brushed motor. The same application runs if you have a brushless motor. Okay, the difference is this brushless goes only 50 kilometers an hour and the brushless one goes 100 kilometers an hour. Same model, electronics, at least in the other models that you may have bought with the XL5. Alright, in the box you'll get the standard battery, which is only 15-minute runtime right here, the Traxxas battery. So you'll remove that battery and put in a lithium one. I'll show you also how to charge this battery that you purchased. So what you do with it to set a Lipo battery is you're just going to plug it in. Okay, when you have it plugged in, you put your batteries into the controller, turn it on the back, right there, and then the light will be on. Don't press the set button at all and tell kids or anybody that's using it not to press the set button. It'll screw up the programming, and then you may have to read the manual completely right through or come and bring it into the store and we might have to reset it for you. When you have the Lipo battery plugged in, you press it once. When you press it and hold it once, it'll turn on the vehicle just like that. If you don't press it firm enough, it won't turn on. It indicates the receiver's on, and this is on. Now, we already set this for Lipo a second ago. We put it on, so it is a green light when you're running the performance battery. But if you want to switch it back to the regular battery or switch to the Lipo, all you do is, when it's all on completely like this, hold the button down firmly, wait about 5 to 10 seconds, and it's set back into the NiCad, the stock battery setting. Again, hold that down. And it goes back to green. Now, once it's set in whichever one it's set in, no matter if you pull it out for a couple of months and you come back and plug it back in, the last setting that you had it set for, that's what it will be. Remember that lithium batteries cannot fall below a certain voltage. So as soon as you're done with the vehicle, even if you ran it for 10 minutes, fully charge the battery and then put it away for the season or even for a couple of days. Now, I'm also going to show you how to set it on half speed. How you set on half speed is you turn it off, you press it once. When you put it on half speed, you press the button and hold it as you turn it on. One flashing red light is full speed. So I'm going to show you full speed. Okay, let's turn that off. Turn it back on, hold it, and we're going to set it for the 50%. So we're going to wait for 3 flashing lights. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let go. And now it is set at half speed. Okay, if we want to put it back to full speed again, 1 flashing red light. So turn it off. Turn it back on again and hold it. Wait for 1 flashing red light. And now it's full speed again. And that's how you set the low voltage cutoff. The other charger that you would have bought with this is right here. Very simply connect it right in there. Select up to 3 amps, because if you have a 5000 you can set it all the way to 5 amps if it had it. So there's the battery, and we put it at 3 amps. Press and hold the start button, let go, and it's starting to charge. And the lights will indicate when it's finished charging. It'll go from the red to the yellow to green. And that's how simple it is. Do not leave this charger unattended for any reason. And when you are charging, and unless you have a Lipo safe bag, which we sell at the store, and I can show you the safe Lipo bag. The safe Lipo bag is something that looks like this. You could store and charge the batteries inside of this, or charge it on a concrete pad or in a metal cased box with the wires going into it. Okay, also for storage, you also want to make sure that you are storing it completely charged for the winter or for long periods of time. Okay, and that's Big Boys with Cool Toys. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to come by our store. We're here to help you.